The 12-volt Dino ATV for kids is a thrilling dinosaur-themed ride-on vehicle designed for children age 3 and above, providing a safe and exciting adventure. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in microphone jack, this ATV transforms rides into musical journeys, promoting language development and family bonding. Bright LED headlights allow for evening rides, while the robust 12-volt battery ensures 1 to 2 hours of unstoppable fun, both indoors and outdoors. The ATV comes with customizable stickers, enabling children to personalize their ride, fostering creativity and fine motor skills as they decorate their first vehicle. Safety is paramount with this ATV, featuring a sturdy frame, non-slip tires, and a gentle acceleration designed for toddlers, ensuring both parent and child peace of mind. Parents will appreciate the hassle-free assembly and easy-to-clean surfaces, making this ATV perfect for all weather conditions and adventurous playtimes.